And if you want to take a moment to experience that, because NLP is highly experiential, I just want you to take a moment and I want you to, for the time being, I want you to remember the first house or apartment that you grew up in. Can you remember it, right? And I want you just to notice, when you remember that, how do you remember that? Like, remember is kind of a vague word. How specifically do you remember that? And it seems pretty obvious when you know the answer, but the answer is that, well, you pull up these movies in your mind, and you may have had a movie or just a still image clip. You may have had sounds playing from a specific memory, or certain childhood feelings come up as you remember that childhood home that you grew up in. But it's through these sensory representations, these movies in our mind, is how we think. So thinking is just at the primary level, just it's built up out of these internal sensory-based representations that we have in our mind. And really, before NLP, nobody had really thought about it in that way. We never thought about what specifically is thinking. How are human mind-body systems programmed?